Hello there and welcome back to our lesson. And this video is a continuation of our previous discussion, 4 ways to promote your Messenger bot using Facebook ads. So we have already discussed message objective using sponsored message. Let me change the color of my pen first. Okay, so we have already discussed this message objective using sponsored message, and we have also discussed this message objective using clicks to Messenger. And on this video, we are going to learn how to use the conversion objective. All right, so this is our bot that we have previously created. And let's go back to our ads manager. Okay, let me just turn off this campaign first. And then I am going to create a new campaign, but this time, instead of using the message objective, I'm going to use conversions objective. And then I'm going to name this to whatever I want and then click continue. All right, so this is the key defining point if you want to use conversion objective in promoting your messenger bot. You must use the messenger destination. Again, on the destination, you must use the messenger option. So let's click this one. Okay, and then let's define our audience. By the way, if you have a Facebook pixel, go ahead if you want to redirect your subscriber to your messenger store with a Facebook pixel attached. But if you don't have a Facebook pixel, don't worry. It is optional if you use the messenger objective. But if you have a Facebook pixel and you want to redirect your subscribers to your page or your website, then it's better to have a pixel. But on this example, I'm not going to use or I'm not going to define a Facebook pixel. All right, so as usual, I'm not going to define the audience. I'm not going to define the placement. I'm not going to define the budget because that is not the point of this lesson. This is not a lesson on Facebook ads primarily. This is a lesson how you can connect your Messenger bot flow to your Facebook ad account if you want to promote your Messenger bot using Facebook ads. So this is optional. You can set your own budget. You can set your own placement and you can set your own targeting. So let's just skip those settings for now and then click continue. All right, we are now on the ad name. And then from the previous video, I have also explained that we need to use the exact page. This one, we need to use the page that we have used on our Facebook, on our Messenger bot. So this Messenger bot was created using the new normal essential page. So that's why we are going to use this exact page on our Facebook campaign objective. So next is we are going to define an image or a video. In this case, I'm just going to use an image. And after that, let's just define our primary text. Hello, this is a sample primary text. Okay, so it doesn't mean that I use hello sample, this is primary text, then you need to copy all of that step by step, letter per letter. No, so you must create your own ad copy. You must use that. You must craft your ad copy to promote your store. I'm just using hello. This is a sample primary text so that we can discuss our lesson faster. So I hope that I made this clear. So on the headline, just for to make our lesson faster, I'm just gonna use put your headline here. This is a sample, but in the real use case, of course, you must put a really good headline on your ad to make your ad engaging. You must put a really good ad copy on your primary text to make your ad engaging. All right. So since I'm just the main topic of our video is to connect our Messenger bot flow builder on our Facebook ad. So let's just skip the ad setup for now. I'm just gonna skip this up to save time. All right. Now let's set the message template. So is this familiar? Yes, this is familiar because this is the exact same setting that we have used in our previous video, the message objective on using clicks to Messenger. So they have the same setting. So I'm just going to repeat what I have did earlier, or we can use existing. And then this time I have this one, welcome message. This is the exact date. And as you can see, if I click this one, you'd be able to see on the preview that this is the exact message template that we had created earlier, right? So once you save your message template on message objective, you can reuse that um, on your conversion objective ads. But since I want you to be familiar with the process, let's just start off with the new conversation. Again, guys, this is optional. You can use existing. If you have an existing chat, example of this one, I have an existing chat template. I'm just creating a new chat template just to make you familiar with the process. Again, this is not compulsory, this is optional, and I'm entirely doing this for you to become familiar with the process. So let's click create chat, and then what I'm gonna do is let's just use the previous message that we have created, which is this one. Okay, great. Gonna delete this. All right. All right. So after that, let's compose our questions. So on the first questions, let's say, do you want to visit our online store? Okay. So that is a question. Do you want to visit? Do you want to visit our online store? And then the next one, do you want to view our product categories? So that is our second question. Do you want to view our product categories? And then the last one is, do you want to chat with our agent? Okay. Do you want to chat with our agent? So um, I have created a different question from the last one because I want to show you how you can use the same trigger element with multiple keywords, multiple keyword trigger. So since I have created all of my triggers, let's go back. I mean, since I have created all of my question, let's go back to our flow and then let's configure our trigger again. So I'm just gonna reuse this trigger, but if this is new to your process, then you can create a new trigger here, go to triggers, and then you are going to define a keyword. But since I have already created my trigger here, so I'm just gonna delete this one, and then I'm going to reuse this. And as you can see, I have already a keyword here, but we can actually add multiple keywords on this field. So how do we do that? So to do that, just copy your keyword, copy all of this, and then put a comma here. So put a comma and then paste your keyword. So now we have two keyword triggers on one trigger element. So that's how you do it. You can add a lot of triggers here. Just separate each keyword with a comma, then it will work. All right. Um, the next one, note that you cannot add multiple triggers here. Do not do this, guys. If you click there and you add another trigger there, this will not work. All right. This will not work. If you put the trigger again in there and then put a keyword and then hello, put a keyword in there, this will not work. Your campaign will not trigger. So don't do this. This is a bad setup. So instead of connecting two keywords on the same new message element, delete this one, delete that. There must be only one trigger element connected to your new message set, and then define your keyword, multiple keyword by using comma separation. So just separate each keyword by a comma. And then let's do that for our second keyword. Copy this one. And then I'm going to use my previously created triggers. So I'm going to open up that one, put a comma here, and then paste the keyword. And then I'm going to also do that for our third element, which is this one. I mean, for the third question. And I'm going to connect this to this trigger. Put a comma in there, paste your keyword, and then click OK, and then save our flow, save the changes. Okay, now that we have saved the changes, we can now save and finish our setup. You can review, you can confirm, and then we can do a testing. Oops, I think we need to specify an ad set. Okay, so wait a minute. All right, so if you encounter that error, it means that we need to set this up, optimization for ad delivery, because if you see the error in here, it says that no promotion object found. We need to specify our promoted object. So to do that, let's go back to conversions. And then since we used conversions here, it will not work because when you use conversion, when you use conversion as your optimization for ad delivery, then you must have a Facebook pixel. But if you do not have a Facebook pixel, then you can change this one into conversations. All right? Just change the ad optimization to conversations, and then you are good to go. So after that, let's review, confirm. It should work. All right, so as you can see, it worked. And let's just wait until all of our campaigns, ad set, and ad has been published. Okay, it's now published. We can now generate a preview by going to the ad creative level, go to preview, and then add preview, and then click preview message. And then let's go back here. And as you can see, this is our newly created message. Click to messenger campaign. So let's try our first keyword. Do you want to visit our online store? So if we click that one, if our user clicks that, then our user will be redirected. The system will send this message because this is the exact message that we want them to be sent. This one, click to visit our store. Okay, so if our subscriber clicks, do you want to view our product categories? Then our chatbot flow will send them this message, our product categories. And then if our subscriber clicks, do you want to chat with our live agent? Then got it. Then yeah, this will be the message that our subscriber will receive. So that's how you can connect your ad campaign, your Facebook ad campaign, using conversion objective. All right. So that's it for this video. And for the next lesson, we are going to discuss the last method by promoting our messenger bot using traffic objective. So see you on the next video.